Hello and welcome back with another informative video, and this time we are back with calisthenics. Before going through calisthenics, its history and exercises, please support us by subscribing our channel. Calisthenics are free body workouts conducted with varied degrees of intensity and rhythm, which may or may not be performed using light handheld instruments such as rings and wands. Bending, stretching, twisting, swinging, kicking, and jumping are among the exercises used, as are push-ups, sit-ups, and chin-ups. Calisthenics improves strength, endurance, flexibility, and coordination while also improving overall health by putting consistent, manageable demands on the cardiovascular system. The exercises can be used to increase muscle or as a warm-up for more demanding sports or exertions. The term calisthenics is derived from the Greek term kalos, which means beauty, and stenos, which means strength. Originally intended to promote health and strength among schoolchildren, calisthenics has grown into a training approach that shares many similarities with gymnastics. However, unlike gymnastics, it may be done outside and is known as a street workout. The exercises emerged in the early 19th century as a result of the efforts of Germans Friedrich Ludwig John and Adolf Spiess in popularizing gymnastics, and were especially emphasized as crucial in the development of education for women by Per Henrik Ling of Sweden. Catherine Beecher, an early supporter of calisthenics in the United States, wrote Physiology and Calisthenics for Schools and Families in 1857. Calisthenics, as encouraged by Beecher, were first intended for women alone, but they quickly became a pastime for both sexes. By the early 20th century, the health benefits of calisthenics were well known, and primary and secondary schools around the Western world began incorporating the exercises as a regular routine. Calisthenics is also used in military training. What science has to say about calisthenics? Science has also found that calisthenics training has significant benefits. Scientists from the Sport and Exercise Sciences Research Unit at the University of Palermo, Italy, discovered in 2017 that calisthenics training is an effective training approach to enhance posture, strength and body composition without the need of any major training equipment. The males in the study were separated into two groups of 28. For 8 weeks, one group did calisthenics while the other continued with their regular fitness routines. After 8 weeks, all participants were subjected to a body composition analysis, a posture evaluation, a hand grip test, and press-up and pull-up tests. The males who trained in calisthenics improved their posture and reduced their fat mass, while their ability to perform press-ups and pull-ups rose. Despite the fact that their calisthenics training did not contain these specific activities, the group who proceeded with their normal training habits, on the other hand, did not much improve on what they could do before the 8 weeks began. A 2019 study discovered that strength training and calisthenics offered benefits for mental well-being and physical health in older institutionalized persons. Another study discovered that persons who used weight training machines were more likely to have low back discomfort than those who did calisthenics or free weights. A study published in Neuro-Rehabilitation discovered that a program involving calisthenic exercises boosted muscle strength and lowered anxiety in persons with multiple sclerosis. It also resulted in better equilibrium. Fundamental calisthenics exercises. We've put up a list of some fundamental and typical calisthenics exercises for you, along with instructions on how to perform them. Number 1, squats. Begin by standing shoulder-width apart with your feet shoulder-width apart. Bend your knees and push your hips back, as if you were sitting on a chair. Squat as low as you can. Push up with the legs from the bottom of the exercise. During this exercise, keep your head and back straight. Avoid extending the knees past the toes as this can cause knee joint injury. Number 2, push-ups. Begin by lying face down on the floor. Place your hands on the floor, slightly wider than your shoulders, with your elbows towards your toes. Extend your legs backward, toes on the ground. Tighten the core muscles to maintain a straight line. Raise your body by straightening your arms and pushing the ground away from you. Bend your arms and lower your body until your chest is almost touching the ground. Keep your elbows from spreading outward while performing a push-up. Begin the push-up with your knees on the ground to make it simpler. Number 3, crunches. Begin by resting on your back with your feet flat on the floor and your knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Cross your hands over your chest. Curl the upper body toward the knees while engaging the core muscles. Hold the position for a moment before lowering yourself to the floor. Maintain a calm head and upper body while elevating the upper body. Number 4, plank. Perform a push-up with your forearms flat on the ground. Keep the body in a straight line by flexing the core muscles. Maintain the position as long as possible without allowing the hips to slip downward. Number 5, burpees. Begin by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart. Bend the knees and lower into a squat until your palms touch the ground. Jump down into a plank position from the bottom of the squat, landing on the balls of the feet. Jump forward from the plank posture, swinging the legs forward until the feet reach the hands. Return to a standing position by jumping up with your hands in the air. Number 6, lunges. Begin by standing tall with your feet in a neutral stance. Step the right foot forward, bending the knee at a right angle. As the leg expands, the left knee should almost contact the floor. Push back up to a standing position with the heel of your right foot, bringing both feet together. Repeat with your left leg. Number 7, pull-ups. A pull-up bar is required for this workout. Take a position facing the pull-up bar. Grip the bar with an overhand grip, palms facing away, and hands shoulder-width apart or wider. Pull the body up till the head is over the bar using the shoulder and arm muscles. Slowly lower the body back under the bar. Number 8, chin-ups. A pull-up bar is also required for this workout. Position yourself in front of the pull-up bar. Grip the bar with an underhand grip, palms towards the body, and hands shoulder-width apart. Pull the body up till the chin is over the bar using the bicep muscles. Go back under the bar. Number 9, jump rope. A jump rope is required for this activity. Take hold of the jump rope by the handle. Maintain the same width of the arms from the center of the body. Swing the rope over and under the body by rotating the rope with your wrists. Leap over the rope, allowing it to clear beneath your feet. To protect the ankle and knee joints, maintain a slight bend in the knees and point the toes. Number 10, dips. A dip bar is required for this activity. Begin by stepping inside the dip bar. Hold both sides with both hands. To move up and down, bend the elbows back and push with the tricep muscles. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Like and share the videos and don't forget to hit the bell icon.